In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in fast in AdsPower. If you want to speed up your login process and avoid typing your password every single time, there's a simple setting on the login screen that can make things much more convenient. This is especially helpful if you use AdsPower regularly and want a faster, smoother start each time you open the app. When you arrive at the login screen, take a moment to look for the Remember Password option. You'll usually see it near the area where you enter your login details. To enable it, simply check the box labeled Remember Password before logging in. Once that option is turned on, AdsPower can store your password for future use, which means you won't need to manually type it in every time you come back. This can save time, reduce repetitive steps, and make your workflow feel more efficient, especially if you log in often throughout the day. Before you use this feature, make sure you're on a device that you trust and control. Since the password will be remembered, this option is best used on a personal or secure work computer rather than a shared device. That way, you get the convenience without creating unnecessary risk. After checking the box, continue with your normal login as usual. The next time you open AdsPower, the saved password should help you get in faster with less effort on your part. If your goal is simply to log in quickly and avoid repeated password entry, this is the easiest way to do it. It only takes a second to enable, but it can make a noticeable difference over time. That's all you need to do to log in faster in AdsPower.